Namaste. One of you asked me a question. Guruji, please give a short video of how to light Yama Diya on Dhanteras. And because you have asked this question, I am making this short but very informative video so that along with you, everybody else, whoever is listening to this podcast, could understand how to light the diya on Dhanteras. So let's begin. Dhanteras, also known as Dhantrayodashi, marks the beginning of the sacred 5-day Diwali festival. On this day, devotees perform a special ritual known as Yama Deepa Daan, lighting a lamp dedicated to Lord Yama, the god of death, to seek his blessings for protection, good health, and longevity. This ancient tradition, when done with faith and devotion, is said to remove fear of untimely death and bring peace to the home. The significance of the Yama Diya, let us first understand this. According to Hindu belief, lighting the Yama Diya on Dhanteras pleases Lord Yama and ensures safety and well-being for the family. It is a symbolic offering to dispel darkness, ignorance, and negativity. The lamp represents the eternal light of consciousness that conquers fear and death. The ritual is performed in the evening soon after sunset, when the energies of twilight, Sandhya, are considered most auspicious. So tomorrow on 18th October 2025 is Dhanteras. So tomorrow after sunset, you should light this Yama Diya. Now I will explain you step by step ritual to light the Yama Diya. Step 1. Purify your home and your mind. Begin by cleaning your home and the area where you light the lamp. Take a moment to calm your mind and offer a silent prayer to Lord Ganesha for the removal of obstacles. Step 2. Prepare the lamp. Traditionally, devotees make a small lamp out of wheat flour dough. However, you may also use a clay or brass diya. Place a cotton wick inside and fill it with sesame oil, til ka tel, believed to please Lord Yama. Some families also use mustard oil or ghee depending on their custom. But you should use sesame oil. Step 3. Choose the right direction. Place the lamp outside the main entrance of your home, facing south, the direction ruled by Lord Yama. If possible, set it near the threshold or in a corner where it can safely burn throughout the night. And then step 4. Offer prayers. Decorate the lamp with turmeric, kumkum, and flowers. And you can simply say these words which I am saying. You can just repeat after me. On this sacred Trayodashi, I offer this lamp to Lord Yama, the son of the sun god, with a prayer that he may be pleased and bless me with long life and protection from untimely death. And then recite Om Yamaya Namaha, Om Yamaya Namaha, Om Yamaya Namaha. Recite this mantra 3 times while lighting the lamp. Allow the lamp to burn until dawn. It is believed that an unbroken flame on Dhanteras night brings divine protection and ensures the family's safety throughout the year. And so perform this ritual after sunset tomorrow, preferably during the Pradosh Kaal, that is approximately 45 minutes after sunset. Avoid blowing out the lamp, let it extinguish naturally. You can also light additional diyas inside the home for Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Dhanvantari. Maintain a feeling of gratitude and peace while performing this ritual. It is not merely a custom but an act of divine remembrance. Always remember, if you stay positive and if you immediately block all toxic negative people in your life, you will be alright. Never tolerate even one single negative comment. Immediately block the person. Once you block a person, the person is dead for you. And let me tell you all, in our country, we have cyber laws. If anybody is trying to cause any trouble to you online, you can definitely catch that person. We have very strong cyber laws, cyber crime laws. So let us together ensure that we build a community of positive people who want to grow in their life and who are not interested in small talk or in pulling other people's leg. That kind of society, that kind of community we should focus on building. And so the deeper message of this entire ritual is that lighting the Yama Diya is not only a ritual but a reminder that life is sacred and fragile. The flame represents our soul, bright, steady, and pure. As the light burns through the night, it silently teaches us to remain steadfast amid darkness, knowing that divine protection surrounds us always. May this Dhanteras bring light, longevity, and spiritual strength to your home. Wishing all my close followers a very, very happy Dhanteras and a very, very happy, prosperous Diwali. Remember, the message that I want to give you is, no matter how dark it gets, stay patient, the light will find you. Shraddha Aur Saburi, faith and patience. If you have it, you will be successful, says Sai Baba. And so, let us pray to Sai. Om Sai, Om Sai. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.